Hi everyone, my name is Kami and I'm a nutrition educator for Rutgers Cooperative Extension in the Department of Family and Community Health Sciences for New Jersey SNAP Ed, and today we will be talking about whole grains. So the grain group is any food made from wheat, rice, oat, cornmeal, barley, or another cereal is in this category. Whole grains come from this category on my plate. See, grains are divided into two subgroups, whole grains and refined grains. Whole grains contain the entire grain kernel, which includes the bran, the endosperm, and the germ. These components of the grain kernel are very nutrient rich. Refined grains, on the other hand, have been through a process called milling, which removes the bran and the germ. And what is left is only the endosperm, which means that there is less nutritional value in refined grains. The reason why milling is done to refine grains is to give the grains a finer texture and to improve their shelf life, but again, it also removes important natural nutrients. And so when making the choice between refined grains and whole grains should be our choice every time when possible because of that natural nutritional value. Whole grains provide a great source of fiber, a good source of vitamin B, a good source of iron and magnesium. With those nutrients, they help us reduce the risk of diet-related diseases. They help us control our blood sugar. They provide us more energy, and they contain antioxidant properties. So this is why it's important that at least half of the grains that you eat should be whole grains. And you may be wondering how many servings of grain foods are we supposed to be eating daily? Well, according to my plate and based on a 2,000 calorie diet, we should be having 5 to 8 ounces of grains daily. And this graphic is a great example of what 1 ounce of grains equal to. To give you an idea, 1 ounce of grains equal to 1 slice of bread or 5 whole grain crackers. And here are more tips for adding whole grains onto your plate. You can use brown rice or whole wheat pasta in dishes and recipes. Also, you can substitute or add whole grain flour or oatmeal into baked good recipes. You can also aim to buy whole grain products as a whole, or when the choice is there, choose snack products that are made with whole grain. And when looking for products that are made with whole grains, it's important to remember that just because it states that it's high in fiber, high in iron, high in B vitamins, does not mean that it's made with whole grains. Instead, a better tool would be checking the ingredients list on the food label for whole grains. Whole grains also might be listed as other items such as bulgur or cracked wheat, whole oats or oatmeal, whole cornmeal, brown rice, whole grain flour, or whole wheat. Now, we went over a lot of whole grain information today, but let's highlight the most important takeaways. Whole grains belong to the grain group of my plate, and whole grains provide many health benefits. And since they do provide many health benefits, it's important to make at least half of our grains for the day whole grains. And we can be sure that our grains that we're consuming are whole grains by looking at the ingredients list on the back of the product. Thanks for watching. We have more videos just like this one on our Facebook page. Go check it out. First,